Thanks again for visiting this Jamaican Life. Please subscribe and like and share, and providing just some tips on available healthcare options in Jamaica if you're moving back. Can't speak to how good these services are, but you have the National Health Fund where you can get discounted prescriptions, so you can check out the website. There are the different locations throughout the island. There's Hospital Hospital in Montego Bay. Again, don't know how great they are, but they have international hospitals throughout the world. This one's called Omega in Negril, which is fairly new. So, outside of Kingston, you can get some healthcare here. Uh, this one's called First Care. It's a type of health insurance. Most of the doctors in the network are in Kingston. I think there's some in St. Anna and Montego Bay. But you can check them out, and here's some prices coming up that you can check out. Because, you always kind of have that concern of like, what are my healthcare options other than just paying a doctor? There's Cigna and HCI that you can purchase international coverage on an annual basis. There's this air ambulance company called Massa Global, and they have a monthly or lifetime subscription. And you can see some of the prices here. If you're in Jamaica and you're looking for healthcare, there's the CCRP in Jamaica where you can get discounted memberships for health insurance. And I always check out Square Mouth when I'm traveling for, insurance, just for travel insurance. Thanks for joining.